Started dating January and then tuloy-tuloy na. Alam mo yung feeling na wala kang wino-worry kapag magkasama kayo, ganun, tapos panatag yung kalooban mo. Kasi we started talaga LDR. He's based on Manila and I was based on Nueva Ecija.
Sabi ko nga yung love story namin, hindi siya yung kagaya ng iba. So sa amin, parang mabilis lahat, pero very smooth lahat. Meron din mga pagsubok. But sabi ko sa kanya lagi, kahit ganon, let's take one step at a time. So, yun naman, nag-align naman lahat ng stars and yun, nauwi kami sa as in yung magandang pagsasamahan, nagkakaintindihan kami.
After kasi namin mag-date for a while, parang nag-ano kami, lost contact. Kasi parang di ko alam, nasa crossroad ako noon and dami kong gustong goals. Tapos parang nasa peak pa ako ngayon ng career ko. Tapos hindi ko alam kung ano ba, magiging distraction lang ba tong lalaking to sa mga gusto kong i-attain, ganon. Tapos nung nawala siya, parang dun ko na iba talaga kapag merong nakaka-appreciate sa'yo everyday, merong kang kasama everyday na nangangarap. Parang alam mo yon na fall at once ka na so deep, hindi ka na makaalis, parang gusto mo nang tuloy-tuloy talaga.
Ito na yung araw na hinihintay mo at last. Wala man si nanay at si tatay, nandito kami para sa'yo.
I know, may tatlong anghel ako sa langit na nakangiti today, knowing that I end up with someone na may takot sa Diyos, mapagmahal sa pamilya kagaya ko, at maalaga at alam kong magiging mabuting ama sa mga magiging anak namin.
I'm excited ngayon at the same time masaya. Siyempre, yung gusto naming para sa isa't isa, matutupad na namin ngayong araw na to.
I know you and I will make a way.
Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. We met as strangers, unknown to each other. We became friends and talks a lot. Muntik pang maudlot dahil sa pagkakaiba natin ng mga choices in life. But it was written in the stars pala na makilala natin ang isa't isa.
Always love each other and respect each other with the guidance and the help of our beloved Father in heaven. Always have faith in God no matter what, and always have faith for each other, sapagkat kayo ngayon ay pinag-iisang dibdib ng dakilang Ama.
This is something I didn't know could exist.
And I will be your best friend, your partner, and of course, your husband.
When the day comes that we're old and gray, I promise to always see you with the same eyes and the same heart that I see you with at this exact moment today.
Will you be the sunlight shining in the sky? Will you be the dream that I'm dreaming every night? Will you be the days I'm gonna remember? Always forever. Will you be the first?
I will support you when you need care, and I will love you and make you happy every day for the rest of my life.
Things always fall into place at the right time, and timing was perfect to us. I never told you that it didn't take me too long to know that I want to spend the rest of my life with you. You are a dream and a prayer of a little girl come true. With you, I know I will never have to do anything on my own.
Will you be the moonlight dancing in the sky? Will you be the hand that I'm holding by my side? Will you be the days I'm gonna remember? Always forever. Will you be the North Star shining in the night? Will you be the name that is taking all my time? Will you be the days I'm gonna remember? Always forever. Always forever.
I vow to honor you and respect you, support you and encourage you in everything you aspire. I promise to dream with you, celebrate with you, and walk beside you through whatever life brings. I love you, love.